The treatment protocol is very popular. It will help to exfoliate the skin. You also will stimulate healthy blood circulation. A lot of benefits of using this technology. Diamond microdermabrasion. Let's talk diamonds today. So diamond microderm is one of the most popular and old treatment methods on the market. There are multiple devices. Specifically today, I will talk about the Zemits JoliPeel Pro. It recently won an award from ASCP organization for the best microdermabrasion device. Super proud. That's why I just want to share with you a little bit more information about it. So diamond dry microdermabrasion is the mechanical way to exfoliate the skin, to improve skin texture, to remove dry, dead skin cells, to speed up and increase cells turnover, to remove pigmentations, to treat post-acne, post-traumatic pigmentations, and also to improve the condition of the post-acne scars. A lot of benefits of using this technology. The principles is very, very simple. You're using the vacuum suction that will pull the skin inside of the wand, and then the diamond, the abrasive tips, would do its magic. It will help to exfoliate the skin and remove dry, dead skin cells. So each of the devices will come with the different tips. This specific technology will have 9 diamond tips, and they will have different grids and different diameters. The larger the diameter of the tip, the more skin can be absorbed inside, the more intense your treatment will be. The smaller, for example this one, the smaller diameter of the tip, the less skin can be absorbed, the less suction can be created, the less aggressive this treatment will be. So the small ones are usually used around the eyes, around the lips, or if you have saggy skin, or if your clients have very fragile skin, or the skin with the compromised skin barrier. Each of the tips have different grids, starting from D100 and going up to D240. So the lower the number, the more aggressive your treatment will be. The higher the number, the more gentle, the more sensitive skin can be treated by these tips. What's next? So usually you have different types of the wands with this technology. The wands are made either with stainless steel, as this one, so they can last forever, or they may also be made of the aluminum. So the aluminum, it will take less time to dissolve the material, so with every new sanitizing and disinfecting step, it will have more and more side effects on the metal. So it's better to use the aluminum wands. Then you would also have the tiny filters that need to be replaced in every single new treatment. All the fuzz hair, the oil, blackheads, dry skin cells that will be exfoliated and absorbed from the skin will be stopped right there between the wand and the tip. That is why super important to replace them constantly. Between every single facial, you are changing the tips. Now, about the protocol. So the treatment protocol is very popular. This is the main treatment that's being taught at school and pretty much consists of the double cleans pre-war. So you have to do the diamond dry microdermabrasion over the clean and dry skin. You would need to use both of your hands. One hand will hold the skin taut to prevent the skin from overstretching, and your other hand will hold the wand and perform feather-like motions with the diamonds to exfoliate the skin. This treatment can be done all over facial and body area. It can be done on elbows, on back, it can be done on knees, on scars, any body area where the extractions or exfoliation is needed. Usually after this treatment, you would move on to something to calm the skin, as the first microdermabrasion will be a little bit irritating step. You will have this beautiful red or pink response of the skin, which is a healthy response because you are stimulated. Beside the exfoliation, you also will stimulate healthy blood circulation, so you will boost the arterial blood supply to the surface of the skin, which is rich with oxygen molecules, which is amazing for the skin, as well as it will help to improve lymphatic drainage. So diamond microdermabrasion also helps to reduce puffiness and slim facial features because of the improved lymphatic flow. Step number 2, and this is a very logical progress of your treatment, would be to hydrate the skin, to infuse it with the different formulas relevant to the skin concerns. So for that reason, estheticians are using the oxygen infusion guns in majority of cases. The oxygen infusion gun has the tiny cup on the top that you would need to open, add about 1 to 3 milliliters of the oxygen serum. Oxygen serum needs to be water-based. You cannot use oily or jelly serums to infuse it with the oxygen, otherwise it can clog the opening of your oxygen gun. So any water-based serum that will have hydrating or soothing features, let's say hyaluronic acid, peptides, niacinamide, any serum that can help your clients with their current issues can be infused deeper with the oxygen infusion gun. This is the perfect step number 2 after you just did the dry diamond microdermabrasion. And the third finishing step of this protocol can be anything hydrating or toning. So you can use either the oxygen dome or hydrating mask. I personally prefer to use the vacuum cups. Using either the glass cups with different shapes, they can be either singular or double cups. You can also see it in our videos. What are the benefits of using the lymphatic drainage as the final step of your treatment? Are the gorgeous before and after results. So usually when you do the lymphatic drainage, you will have beautiful sculptured features of the skin. The skin and the face will look more slim, more toned. So with the lymph moving from the soft tissues to the lymphatic nodes, you will have lighter weight of the skin, so it's easier to lift it. The skin usually looks more revitalized, more bright, more glowing, and also it can detoxify the skin. So with all the steps that were provided before, finishing it with the vacuum cupping, kind of, I would say, polish it to its maximum glowing look with lifted, rejuvenated effect. You can do it either on one of the serums that left with the oxygen gun, because majority of the serums, they are more gliding. It's easy to glide with the cups over them. If all the serum was absorbed, then you can add a little bit of massage oil for this glide and then do the vacuum cups over the face. You can do it on the neck, you can do it also on the décolleté for the beautiful final step. I hope you like this, guys. If you have any questions, please comment below. Let us know what other treatment protocol would you like us to share with you. We'll see you in the next video.